Hello and welcome to LX3 Restos. We have another Fiesta under here, but we're not fixing this one. We're going to chop this one to pieces. Let's have a look. Right, as you know, Fiesta panels are not the easiest to come across, so the owner got us this lovely example here for us to hack up. So we're going to cut the wings off, expose these panels here, we're going to get them out, salvage them hopefully if very good. And there's a few other bits and pieces on the car we're going to try and save for the Supersport. So let's get the grinders out and start chopping up. We've got the bottom of the Fiesta and you're not going to believe what we found. Have a look at this. How dodgy is that? Somebody's screwed that block of wood bolted through the car and a wood screw there. Look at it, it's so manky.
That's just amazing. Don't think there's going to be much saving this lower panel. Ooh.
These are some of the bits we need for the Fiesta, the seat belt, the seat mounts. So yeah, they're interesting. We need to measure it, don't we? Yes, we do. So it looks to be 1 foot from there to the centre of the bolt hole. So you use that measurement on the other car, make sure you get the neck in the right place. Now the wings are off, we can have a closer look at these inner panels. See if that seem pretty solid. Well, cut it off and see what's salvageable.
Looks like there's more meat than the other one though.
Yeah, definitely. Definitely. Well, we'll see what's behind the seat, eh?
No. Oh! Oh no! Disaster! Don't laugh! This is a good idea. You put that bit on. Did you click it in?
this is what we're left with. The inner kick plates, the front wheel arch tubs, the headlight surrounds are not much use to us, but might be able to get a pattern off of them. These little bits off the bulkhead, the seat brackets, and that funny bit that we have a hole in by the window. That should be very helpful in restoring the Supersport.